Listen, hear me out on this one. Listen up, okay? You probably clicked on this video thinking, man, I have a bunch of forks that I do need to get rid of, okay? And I just want to tell you this. Go sit down somewhere, okay? Because this video is not for you. If you are a beginner, okay, this method is not for you. If you got like 10 forks in your head and you struggling to get them out, keep brushing. But this video is not for you. Hold on. If yo, listen. If you don't even have a developed crown, okay, this method is not for you. Hold up. Wait a minute. What? Wait 1 second. If you got a short haircut and it's real low, you already know what I'm about to say. This method is not for you. But you know what method it is for? Yeah, I bet you guessed it. Oh yeah. But it's not for you. Just make that clear. Just want to make that clear. You can stay here and watch, but just know that at this moment in time, that may not be for you. 360. You too! What's up, it's your boy 360 Jeezy, and today in this video we're gonna teach you how to go about removing your forks, how to fix them. I'm not gonna show you right here, right now, me getting rid of a fork. That's not what I'm about to show you.
Oh man!
What I'm about to show you is how you can brush in a way that helps the fork break, okay? What you're gonna need is one of these, okay? A brush, and also a comb, okay? Definitely need these two items. So without further ado, let me take off this rag real quick, okay? Let's get into it.
HustleDreamProduction.
Alright, you guys, first thing first, let's identify what a fork is. A fork is basically a crash in your waves, okay? Notice how each one is lined up, and right here, bam, a crash happens. It kind of looks like a fork, kind of looks like a, you know what I mean? It's just a crash where it splits. So first and foremost, that's what a fork is. So I need to start by telling you guys how I was brushing before. Now, I was brushing my top at a straight slant before, okay? Everything was kind of slantish, okay? Everything was at a slant. But I realized that the fork was getting worse. Let me comb in the direction that I used to brush in to show you guys that brushing in that direction gets worse. All right, you guys, so as you guys can see right here, it's coming to a point, right? You don't want that look. You don't want that to happen to your waves. What you're trying to do is basically separate this area right here. You don't want anything to come to a point. So while I was brushing this way, making it come to a point, forcing it, although it flows kind of good, don't get me wrong, it does have a nice flow to it. What you're doing is making it worse though. What you want to do is start going against it this way and basically just, you know what I mean, start brushing slight diagonal. All right, to get rid of it. And once you keep doing that, what you're going to do is eventually either force this fork to come down here by shifting, or it's going to end up lining up with one of these waves. And I'll explain more as the video goes along. Now that's how I used to brush. I'm not going to keep doing it because I don't want it to, I want to try to fix it. I don't want it to get worse. So right now you see it's kind of like straight up like a straight V. It's a hardcore crash right here. And you can really see it when I tilt my head like that. Like it's a hardcore crash. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to deflect it and comb it opposite in the way that I used to brush, or at least in a slight slant than I used to brush. Instead of brushing and instead of combing and brushing in that slant direction, I switched it up and started combing and brushing everything forward. With this part at a slight slant this way, to where if you look at it on this angle, you can see that it's improving. You can see that eventually it's gonna line up with these connections right here. Alright, YouTube, that's basically how you get rid of forks, man. This is for all my elite wavers out there, people that's got 4 forks or less. If you got a bunch of forks, you really have to just keep brushing and, trust the process as much as you can. Alright, if you have a bunch of forks, there's no reason to change up how you brush. Like I said, this is just for people that have limited amount of forks and they basically have a flawless top. They just got this massive fork that they need to get rid of. All right, this video is for those wavers. But as a beginner, this is something that you could definitely be like hopeful for. If you're watching this video, I know in the beginning I was like, man, this video is not for you, but this is a learning process, you know what I mean? Like, you know it now, you know what I mean, going forward. So as long as you brush in the same direction and try to keep going, and once you improve your connections, you will. Once you got those few forks, then it's time to use this method. You could come back to this video, watch it again, and basically do the method. But that's it, you guys. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, and you want to learn how to get 360 waves, hit that subscribe button. All right, it's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out of here.